Most BMW 3 Series buyers think any model with low miles and a clean Carfax is a safe purchase. But our research proves that 5 specific years are financial disasters waiting to happen regardless of how good they look on paper. Last month, a guy brought me a 2012 328i with just 67,000 miles on it, and the timing chain had already jumped a tooth. The engine was knocking, the plastic guides were disintegrating inside the oil pan, and he was facing a complete engine replacement costing $8,000. I asked him one question: did you research the N20 timing chain issue before you bought this car? He said, no, it looked clean and the price was right. That one uninformed purchase decision cost him more than he paid for the car. Here are the 5 worst and 5 best BMW 3 Series model years based on actual engineering data, documented failure rates, and real-world repair costs. And number 1 on the worst list will genuinely shock you because it's the mistake most buyers make every single day. We are starting with the 5 worst BMW 3 Series model years that you should absolutely avoid in 2026, and the data behind each of these years will save you thousands in repair bills. Number 5 on our worst list is the 2007 335i, and the twin-turbocharged N54 engine introduced one of the most expensive fuel system failures in BMW's modern history. The 2007 335i marked BMW's first mass-produced turbocharged gasoline engine in the modern era, and while the performance was genuinely impressive, the N54's developmental flaws made it one of the most financially hazardous used car purchases available. The high-pressure fuel pump was prone to sudden, catastrophic failure, leading to a prominent class action lawsuit and extended manufacturer warranties that BMW was forced to honor across multiple model years. Simultaneously, the direct-injection piezoelectric fuel injectors went through 11 faulty revisions before BMW finalized the updated Index 12 injector, with early Index injectors frequently leaking raw fuel into the cylinders overnight and causing cold start misfires, catalytic converter damage, and engine-destroying fuel dilution in the engine oil. A single Index 12 injector costs roughly $550, meaning a full set of 6 costs upwards of $3,300 in parts alone before labor. Combined with turbocharger replacements that require dropping the front subframe and walnut blasting services every 40,000 to 50,000 miles, a 2007 335i can easily accumulate repair bills that exceed its retail value within a single ownership cycle. Before we get to the next one, if you want a more in-depth look into how your BMW can last 100,000, 200,000, or even 300,000 miles, this ebook reveals the exact maintenance secrets and brand-specific strategies that every smart BMW owner should know. If you want to check it out, the link is down in the description below. Number 4 on our worst list is the 2008 328i and 335i, and this model year earned a dismal 1 out of 5 reliability rating from Consumer Reports due to 3 separate electrical failures that created genuine safety hazards. The 2008 model year represents the worst of the E9 Zero generation's electrical and wiring infrastructure, with 2 of its 3 major failures resulting in safety recalls. The positive battery cable connector is prone to frictional corrosion, causing a total loss of electrical power while driving and occasionally triggering the electronic steering column lock to engage before the car can stop. The blower motor wiring harness connector can overheat, melt the plastic connector, and cause vehicle fires while the system is operating, while a separate PCV heater recall and the recent starter relay recall are the ones that pose a fire risk when parked. Consumer Reports' 1 out of 5 reliability rating for this model year is one of the lowest scores ever recorded for a BMW product, and the documented fire risks from these electrical failures make this a model year that should be avoided entirely, regardless of price or mileage. Number 3 on our worst list is the 2012 328i, and the launch year of the F30 generation introduced a catastrophic timing chain failure that destroys engines without warning. The 2012 model year introduced the 2-liter turbocharged N20 inline-4 engine, and this transition represented a critical failure in material engineering. The primary failure point is the plastic timing chain guides, which use a flawed polymer formulation that becomes brittle under constant heat cycles, causing them to crack, break apart, and fall into the oil pan. Once the guides disintegrate, the timing chain loses tension and skips teeth on the camshaft sprockets, causing instant piston-to-valve collision in this interference engine that bends the valves, punctures the pistons, and destroys the entire long block in a failure mode that provides almost no warning before it occurs. Drivers must listen for a high-pitched whining or whirring noise rising with engine revolutions between 1,500 and 2,500 revolutions per minute, and a brief, harsh rattling noise upon cold start before oil pressure builds. A complete engine replacement following timing chain failure exceeds $8,000, making the 2012 model year one of the most financially dangerous purchases in the entire 3 Series lineup, regardless of mileage or service history. Number 2 on our worst list is the 2014 328i, and automotive databases consistently cite this as the single worst model year for overall engine reliability in the entire F30 generation. BMW did not update the N20 timing chain guides until early 2015, meaning all 2014 models left the factory with the same brittle plastic guides that destroyed engines in the 2012 model year. The 2014 models add an additional layer of risk through early turbocharger oil seal degradation, causing heavy tailpipe smoke and eventual turbo bearing failure, along with cooling system vulnerabilities, including early electric water pump failures and cracked plastic expansion tanks that cause rapid overheating capable of warping the cylinder head. While a class action lawsuit settled in 2021 provided an extended warranty of 7 years and 70,000 miles for N20 timing chain repairs, that window has closed for virtually all 2014 models, meaning any failure today must be paid entirely out of pocket. A professional timing chain replacement costs $2,500 to $3,500, and a complete engine replacement exceeds $8,000, making the 2014 328i the most financially hazardous 4-cylinder F30 purchase available on the used market today. And the absolute worst 3 Series model year is number 1, the 2019 330i, which launched the G20 generation with 9 separate safety recalls and a manufacturing defect that can destroy the engine without warning. The 2019 G20 was subject to 9 separate safety recalls filed with the NHTSA, making it one of the most recalled BMW model years in recent history. The most critical mechanical recall involved a manufacturing defect in the engine counterbalance shaft, where the bearings could fail prematurely, though this extreme recall was actually limited to a very small production run of just 217 vehicles in the US, all of which required complete engine replacements. Another severe safety recall addressed a starter motor defect where the motor could overheat and initiate an engine bay fire, while systemic electrical and software bugs left the live cockpit professional digital screens prone to freezing, blacking out, and losing communication with safety sensors. For buyers who want the modern G20 platform, skipping the 2019 model year entirely and targeting 2021 or later production is the only financially sound approach, as those vehicles benefit from resolved manufacturing defects and updated software architecture. Now let's transition into the 5 best BMW 3 Series model years that represent smart, reliable purchases backed by engineering data and real-world ownership results. Number 5 on our best list is the 2001 330i, and this E46 generation model represents the golden era of analog BMW driving dynamics, built around one of the most durable engines the brand ever produced. The 2001 330i is powered by the legendary M54 3-liter, naturally aspirated inline-6 engine, a port-injected power plant widely regarded as one of the most reliable engines BMW ever produced. capable of lasting well beyond 250,000 miles with straightforward, DIY-friendly mechanical maintenance. The 2001 model received critical updates to its engine cooling system and onboard electronics compared to the failure-prone 1999 and 2000 models, and its complete absence of turbochargers, direct injection, and complex electronic systems creates a maintenance profile that is refreshingly predictable and affordable compared to any turbocharged successor. The main disadvantage buyers must address is the severe risk of rear subframe chassis cracking, where the E46's structural design flaws allow the rear subframe mounts to fatigue, crack, and rip away from the sheet metal trunk floor under high load. Any E46 being evaluated on the used market must be lifted to inspect the rear axle carrier panel for hairline cracks or weld separations before purchase, as rectifying a cracked subframe requires removing the entire rear suspension and welding in steel reinforcement plates at a cost of $2,000 to $3,000. Number 4 on our best list is the 2011 328i, and this E90 LCI model represents the absolute pinnacle of the naturally aspirated inline-six era and is widely regarded as one of the most trouble-free modern 3 Series models ever built. The 2011 328i is powered by the N52 naturally aspirated 3-liter engine, which does not utilize high-pressure direct injection, completely avoiding HPFP failures, expensive piezo injectors, and heavy intake valve carbon buildup that plagues every turbocharged successor. As part of the E90's lifecycle impulse facelift, BMW redesigned the cylinder head in late 2008, introducing an updated oil passage layout that permanently resolved the loud hydraulic valve lifter ticking noise that plagued earlier models. And the 2011 328i retains the highly communicative hydraulic steering rack that was replaced by electric power steering in subsequent generations. The main disadvantage is that owners must still address common external oil leaks from the valve cover gasket, oil filter housing gasket, and oil pan, with the OFHG being the most critical because oil contamination of the serpentine belt can lead to catastrophic engine damage if left unaddressed. When properly maintained with regular oil changes and proactive gasket replacement, the 2011 328i represents one of the best long-term value propositions in the entire used BMW market. Number 3 on our best list is the 2016 340i, and the mid-cycle LCI update for the F30 chassis combined with the debut of the legendary B58 engine earned this model year a near-perfect reliability score from Consumer Reports. The 2016 model year introduced the B58 3-liter turbocharged inline-six engine built on a closed-deck block with structurally reinforced cylinder walls, forged steel crankshafts, and forged aluminum pistons as standard. By replacing the problematic N55 twin-scroll turbo setup, the B58 resolved the chronic oil leak patterns and cooling weaknesses that affected pre-LCI F30 models, and Consumer Reports awarded this model year a near-perfect reliability score, making it one of the highest-rated BMW products in the organization's modern testing history. The primary cons are minor, recurring vulnerabilities in peripheral plastic cooling system connectors and the integrated PCV valve that can fail over time due to heat cycling and cost $400 to $800 to address. The 2016 340i represents a nearly perfect blend of daily reliability, modern styling, and high-performance capabilities that makes it the premier F30 purchase for buyers who want both dependability and driving excitement. Number 2 on our best list is the 2017 330i, and for buyers seeking a modern, fuel-efficient daily driver, this model year stands as the definitive 4-cylinder F30 option after BMW eliminated the catastrophic N20 engine. The 2017 330i is powered by the modular B58 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, which replaced the problematic N20 in 2016 and shares its structural architecture and closed-deck block design with the reliable B58, completely eliminating the catastrophic timing chain guide failures that destroyed N20 engines. The B48's shared architecture with the B58 means it benefits from the same engineering improvements, including the revised timing chain layout, improved oil control ring design, and updated thermal management systems that prevent the carbon buildup issues that plagued the N20. The main disadvantage of the B48 is its relatively limited tuning potential compared to its six-cylinder sibling, and the engine bay still contains significant plastic piping that requires proactive replacement as the car approaches 100,000 miles to prevent coolant and boost leaks. For buyers who prioritize reliability, fuel economy, and modern features over maximum performance, the 2017 330i is the most sensible and financially sound F30 purchase available on the used market today. And the absolute best 3 Series model year is number 1, the 2021 330i and M340i, which represents the post-teething peak of the G20 generation and has established an outstanding reputation for build quality and reliability that no other model year in this comparison can match. The primary advantage of the 2021 model year is that BMW successfully resolved the first-year electrical, starter motor, and counterbalance shaft issues that made the 2019 model year so dangerous, creating a vehicle that delivers the full promise of the G20 platform without the manufacturing defects that plagued its launch. The 2021 models feature the updated B58TU and B58TU engines with lighter crankshafts, updated connecting rods, and a highly efficient 350-bar high-pressure direct fuel injection system, while J.D. Power awards the G20 generation an impressive quality and reliability score of 82 out of 100, making it the most reliable 3 Series generation ever built. The main disadvantage is the higher upfront purchase cost, with clean examples trading between $35,000 and $55,000 depending on specification. For buyers with a larger budget who want the safest path to use 3 Series ownership with the strongest reliability record, the most advanced technology, and the best driving dynamics in the lineup's history, the 2021 330i and M340i is the mathematically correct choice. The data from this comparison tells a clear story. The worst 3 Series years share a common thread of first-generation engineering failures. Whether it's the N54's fuel system disasters, the N20's timing chain catastrophe, or the G20's first-year manufacturing defects. The best years share an equally clear pattern of resolved engineering issues, proven powertrains, and mature production quality that delivers the reliability BMW's reputation promises. The key to buying a used 3 Series in 2026 is understanding that the badge alone means nothing. The specific model year, the specific engine, and the specific production run determine whether you're buying one of the most rewarding driving experiences available at any price point or an expensive repair bill disguised as a luxury sedan. Choose from the best list, avoid the worst list, and always get a pre-purchase inspection from a BMW specialist before signing anything. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you like content like this, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.